River Rats out here at the beach today trying to catch some fish. And we'll see you when we catch something. Okay guys, this is a 13-inch whiting. This guy was a beauty. This guy ate a mullet. Whole lot right over there. This guy's gonna be beautiful dinner. Hello River Rats. This is our second fish of the day, right after our first. The bite's on fire right now. We're gonna go let this guy go and see if we can catch anything else. Hello River Rats. This is a 16-inch whiting. This guy ate a whole mullet. Yeah, this guy's slippery. I've dropped him about one time already. This guy's going right in the ice box. Okay, River Rats, we just caught this, and
You caught the entire rig.
yeah, and these are both dead. I don't know how long they've been dead for, but we just caught it and we were very confused of what's happening. And this is a good rig too. So we got another pompano rig, it looks like, and I think another whiting for dinner. We never know. See you guys later. Okay, River Rats. Today I had fish tacos for dinner. The fish you see in the picture is whiting, and that was delicious. We'll see y'all in the next episode of River Rats.